Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are making 4 Christmas tags with the cute digital stamp set Waddy and Wanda penguin from Polkadoodles. To start you have to die cut 4 tags from white cardstock. You can use any tag die you like or even cut it by hand. To create these backgrounds we are using 3 colors of distress inks. Chipped Sapphire, Salty Ocean and Tumbled Glass. I'm starting with the Chipped Sapphire and then the Salty Ocean, and on top of the tag I'm using the Tumbled Glass. I blend the colors using circular motions for a smooth and sky-like gradient. When I'm finished with the distress inks, it's time to apply the crafting mousse with a stencil of snowflakes and ice flowers. I am adding the crafting mousse with my spatula to the tag, and when you get the stencil off, you have a beautiful snowflake and ice flower background on your tag. Tags off to dry, and in the meantime we will color our cute penguins. There are 4 penguins in the digital stamp bundle from Polkadoodles. We have Waddy penguin on a sleigh and Waddy jumping out of a Christmas present, and we have Wanda carrying a Christmas tree and Wanda holding a garland. For the coloring I'm using alcohol markers. I think it gives a vibrant look and it brings the images to life. Most of the time I start with lighter colors and add darker tones for the shading, because it gives depth and make them more lively and festive. Don't worry about making the penguins perfect. The goal is to have fun with it and enjoy the process. I think coloring is very relaxing and I hope you find that too. If you don't like to watch the coloring process, you can skip the process to 6:37. If you do want to watch the color, you can watch the coloring process with some music on the background, and I will pick it up again when the coloring is finished. So that was the coloring, and when the coloring is finished, I'm putting some highlights on the images. I like to do that. It's up to you if you want to do that too. And when that is finished, we are cutting the images out with a scissor. Next, I'm adding a die cut backing to the tag. The background is showing on the back of the tag, and I don't like that. I want it to be white so I can put a message on the back. So I'm die cutting another 4 tags and glue that to the back of the tags. Now let's bring in our snowy scene. We're making our snowy scene with a little snow hill. I'm using a die cut to make this snow hill from white cardstock. The die I am using is a slimline die, and it's perfect to fill the snow hills on all 4 tags. So I'm die cutting it from white cardstock. I'm adding it on the bottom of the tag, and I'm cutting off the excesses, and I'm doing this for all 4 tags. Here I'm punching out small blue circles and attaching them over the hole on each tag. This simple addition reinforces the hole so the tags stay durable. Plus it brings a pop of color that ties everything together, I think. It's a tiny detail, but I think it really makes the difference, and it will stand out more. I'm putting the blue circles to all 4 tags for I am going on to the next step. And the next step is to add the penguins and the sentiments to the tags. Because the background of the tag has texture on it, it's a bit difficult to put the sentiments down. So I put some glue on the sentiment, and I'm using an acrylic block to push it down. Keep the acrylic block there until it dries, and the sentiment will be attached to the background. For the penguins I'm using foam tape. I like to have a bit of a dimension on my tags or cards. So I put the foam tape on the back of the penguin, and then I attach it to the tag. I am repeating this concept for all 4 tags. And when I'm finished, it's time for the last step, adding the ribbon to the tags. I have blue ribbon with a golden stripe to it. Is that what it's called? I think so. I'm adding that to all 4 tags, and your Christmas tags are finished. I think they are perfect and so cute, and I love the texture on the background, and it gives something special to your gifts, I think. And add a personal message to the background, and you have a fun Christmas tag for your family and friends. I hope you like this tutorial, and you will make these tags also, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks and bye!